Well, it's slightly warmer than it was yesterday, but only slightly. Temperature on the gauge here is 4 degrees, 2.2 overnight, and 7.1 yesterday. And it's wet on the ground, so perhaps there's going to be some rain in the rain gauge. Well, I thought there was going to be more rain, but there's only, we'll call that 2 millimeters. It's overcast, no sun. Yes, it's not a very nice day. Well, it's Wednesday the 18th of February. I don't know where, oh yes, there's the cows in the distance up by the cuckoo stone. And more cows over in the field up against the A303. It's slightly windy today, cold wind, and overcast, and just not very nice, and cold.